overall, when you think about health and well-being, it's individuals being able to accomplish whatever they want in life. Our center is very blessed in the fact that we have had the resources to be able to grow our staff. Over the last couple of years, we've added 2 full-time counselors. We've also added a clinical case manager. We also added an additional 8 hours of physician care per week. And then we also added my position as well.
One of the things that has been so unique to me about working with Davidson students is their commitment to being better people. That has been just a beautiful thing when I think about this work, and has really helped me to stay motivated and committed to working with them.
The stigma of receiving health care is better than what it used to be. It's not where we want it to be, but students, today's college student, is okay with knowing the fact that they need to go sometimes and speak with a counselor. They need to go see that physician, or they need to see that registered dietitian. So our data shows that every year the number of students that we serve and the number of appointments that we have is growing.
I came in the fall of 2019, and soon afterwards, that next spring, we had a pandemic. We were facing a pandemic, and everything changed. So the school started to rely on the health side of the Center of Student Health and Wellbeing to really guide and inform and help people figure out what our next steps were. Since then, now as we're coming out of the pandemic, I think we still play a really key role in how students stay healthy, and we do a lot of education, and we are trying always to improve our services and figure out what our students asking from us and how can we provide that for them at a great value, and how do we make sure that they get what they need from us.
Most colleges and universities, you have to wait 3 to 4 weeks to see a counselor, to where at Davidson, you're truly able to walk in anytime Monday through Friday and see a counselor at that point. We're doing a lot for our students. What could we grow? I think a lot of it has to do with the fact that we've outgrown our space. As we've added all this staff over the years, our center doesn't have the capacity to be able to house everyone. So if we can get additional space, that means that we can have more medical visits, we can have more counseling visits, we can have more registered dietitian visits.
I definitely see well-being as not just a physical thing, but something that you can describe as different gears, and they're all intertwined. So you have physical health, you have mental health, you have intellectual health, and if one of them isn't quite working right, then the rest of them suffer because of that.
Since I've been here, one of the things that we've implemented is our individualized care plan that really kind of just acknowledges that when people come in, they have really specific needs, and that we have to be creative about the way that we meet those needs. So we've expanded beyond individual counseling into group counseling, workshops, outreach. We have mental health advisors.
Health education is a very important aspect of the care that we provide the community. We have students who come here, again, from high school. There's questions that they're afraid to ask their family. There's questions that we don't necessarily want them to hear about from friends. It's let's have a professional source.
Watching students when they graduate, being able to walk across that stage with their head held high, knowing that they've got this, maybe we played a small part in that. That's gratifying to me, and it's what keeps me in college. I've been doing it for 21 years, so I can't imagine doing anything different.
I'm so glad to be at a school like Davidson that does provide these types of services, because when I started out, I had no idea that this is something that I would need. And so being at a school like this has provided me with so many services that honestly have helped me become such a well-rounded person.
I want to say thank you for your gifts. I am blown away by the services that we're able to provide our students based upon your generosity. I'm excited about the opportunity that we have to grow our services, and we know that so much of that is based upon what you're able to give, and we appreciate that. Our students appreciate it, our staff appreciates it, and I just want to say thank you.